Welcome to today's analysis on EURUSD currency pair. This overview will shed some light what happened on the market this week and what could happen next week. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. Let's go. The price started the week with a bearish candle, closing the day close to the 0.96716 support level, which was mentioned in the previous week analysis, where I was mentioning that the price will try to move down and reach this support level. And from there we could see some kind of a small stalling the price on this area before continuing in any direction. And we can see in this week that the price has made just like what was mentioned. The week started with a bearish candle, the price reached the support level 0.96716, and from this demand zone the price could not break below to reach lower levels 0.94861, but the price stopped here for a while, for 2 days, where we can see two indecision candles, and then on Thursday the price has managed to break on both sides, but the price broke to the below, just making a wick and then continued to move up and closing the day as a bullish candle, closing above these three candles like an engulfing bullish candle. And the price just stopped here at the downtrend resistance line, and also the price stopped here at this level, which was mentioned in the previous week analysis that this will be a second resistance area, where the first would be here. We can see that the price, when reached this support level and this demand zone, the price has started to move to the upside, where we have a sellers that has been selling the price to this area, and then they have gone out from their trades, and then we have bulls who have tried to push the price to the higher levels. This was visible on this candle on Tuesday, where we have indecision candles between the sellers and the bulls, and this candle represents here indecision between the bulls and bears, and we can make a conclusion that here this day, on a Tuesday, the sellers were much stronger than the bulls, and that is visible because we have strong bullish pressure here because of the bulls entering into trades here, and then also the sellers going outside from their trades who have sold to this pair to this level, and the price returned back up. But after that, the same day, the price returned back down, which means more sellers have gone inside. And then on Wednesday we have a smaller indecision candle with smaller wicks, which represents a higher fight between the bulls and bears, and the price could not make any direction. It could not move to the upside or downside, just reaching a small levels here at this demand zone, and on the upper level here the first resistance level. And after that, on a Tuesday, we have seen some confluence between the sellers and the buyers, and where the buyers have made to push the price on a higher level, but the price could not reach above and close above this resistance, the second smaller resistance area which was mentioned, because we have here a selling pressure that is preventing the price to move down. From here we can see that also this downtrend resistance line represents some kind of smaller resistance for the price to move to the higher level. And on a Friday, these bulls who have entered into the trade and reached this resistance area has gone out, and also the sellers who were waiting here since pushing the price down have pushed the price on a Friday to the lower level. The Friday did not close below these candles, these four candles, open and close price, which means that the sellers are not enough strong to push the price again to the lower level. If the price is closed below this would be a signal that the price will continue to move down. For now we have the price above this indecision candles, which means that the bulls are still holding this area, this is the demand zone, so for the next week we can expect the same similar scenario as this week, and that means that this area will be some kind of indecision area for the bulls and the sellers, where the price will move. For now we have indecision candles here and also small breakout, but the price returned back down, which means a false breakout from this indecision area. So what usually can happen after the price has had a false breakout to the upside and then price returned back down, this means that the price could move again down. But because of this demand zone, where are the bulls and where are they holding this area, I think for the next week we can expect similar scenario where the price will try to break to the upside and also to the downside. For the bulls, the decision area is this one. After the price manages to break above and close the day above this price and also this price, which is also a supply zone for the price where the sellers are waiting, it will be in decision area for the bulls. If they try, the price will continue to move to this resistance area. And also this resistance area is a confluence of resistance where we have a downtrend, daily downtrend resistance area, and also we have here horizontal resistance level, which makes a strong supply zone for the price, which will be hard to break to the upside. On the downside, we have here an area and also the price where the bulls are trying to fight and also save the price from falling down to the 0.94861. If the price manages to close below this price on a daily time frame, the next level will be this one here at 0.9600, where the price has stopped in the last attempt to move to the lower levels. So the first level is here. If it closes, we can expect the price here. If the price closes below this level, then the next level is 0.94861. So for now, we can see on a weekly time frame how the market looks, and this week looks as indecision candle, where the price has opened and closed almost at the same price, but the week has closed with the price below the open price. So this week we can conclude as a bearish week. For the next week, this looks like we could expect some kind of, again, the bearish move to the 0.96716. And if we move to the 4-hour time frame, we can see what is happening. The price has reached this support level, bouncing back up, and reached the first resistance level, which was mentioned, and also the second one where the price has stopped. We can see that these small red levels represents a 4-hour time frame support and resistance levels, and for now the price has managed to close the below, but in this indecision area it is on the above level. So for the next week we could see the price here, and then we will see what will happen between these two levels. On a daily time frame, let's turn back again. It is indecision area for now for the price, and we should wait until the price makes a move. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading!